Robin Tutorials. How to install Robin Proline Doorbell Apple HomeKit enabled. The package contents: 1. The Robin Proline Doorbell device. 2. Instruction manual. 3. Accessory kit. 4. Drilling template. 5. Power cover Ethernet injector. Let's start to unpack the box. First, we are going to prepare the device for installation. Follow the instruction manual, which is included with the label, and place the label. Please note that you can order your personalized label via our website, robin.nl. Hold your surface mount box in the place you want to install it and mark the 4 screw holes at the top and the bottom. If you're installing your Robin Proline Doorbell on a masonry or stucco surface, drill holes on the marked places and insert the provided anchors. Now install the surface mounting box to the wall with the provided screws. Now we're ready to connect the wires. The colours for the individual cores must match the colour coding on the PCB. Attach the cables to the housing as a tension relief using the supplied tie wrap. The next step is to pair the Robin Proline Doorbell with our Robin app. This app can be downloaded in the Apple App Store. Open the Apple Home app on the iOS device and click on the plus symbol in the upper right corner to add the doorbell and follow the on-screen instructions. Once everything is installed and connected, the configuration of the app can take place. If you need additional help, please contact our support team at robin.nl. Robin Telecom Development.